Email marketing is not dead. Let's just get that out there straight away. Email marketing helps you to stay connected to your clients, build relationships with prospects, and move those really ideal clients through your buyer cycle faster. There is, however, a big difference between a good marketing email and a marketing email. And if you have an inbox of any kind, then you'll know exactly what I mean. As an accountant, you're in the business of giving great service to your clients. You're not selling a product. You're instead offering your experience and your expertise to those who need it most and those who you can help best. In this video tutorial, I'm going to take you through some tips on how to write a great marketing email with a clear message and actionable call to actions. If you would like more tips, you can read the blog that goes with this video, which gives you 12 tips on how to write clear marketing email content. Let's get started. In order to help you craft clear and actionable marketing email content, I'm going to take you through the process of me as PF's marketing director drafting an email that I will then be sending out. As I explained in my blog, there's 3 things we need to identify before we even start writing our emails. And that's what's the purpose of the email, who is it for, and what's the clear call to action. What's the one thing you want somebody to do from reading your email? In this case, the purpose is I want to tell people about the next Accelerator group, which starts in February 2023. Accelerators are a 12-week coaching group, and it's where accountants come together in a group and as a community, and they learn about the core principles of marketing and how they work in a structured way, and help them to get direction in their marketing, so you're not wasting time doing random things, but instead being focused on who your audience are, what their issues are, and how you create content marketing that appeals to them. Who is it for? It's for anyone who has signed up to an email list to hear from PF. So it's for people who receive our free stuff, that's our weekly marketing resources and our monthly roundups and info on webinars and events and all those things that we run. It's for anyone who's filled in our discovery diagnostic form, those who've made a connection with PF and have agreed to hear from us. And it's for any clients who have not previously done Accelerator and would like to either do it themselves or would like to bring their team in to do it with them. What's the clear call to action? It's to join the group, which starts in February 2023. That is my one action that I want someone to take from this email. Now, you'll notice that when I said what's the purpose, it was to tell people about the Accelerator group. As I also mentioned in my blog, you will see that although that is the purpose of the email, that's not necessarily the way we communicate it. If I wrote this email saying, here's the information about the Accelerator group, we'd love to have you here, this is what it involves, it's making it all about me. It's making it all about PF and what PF does. What instead we need to do in our emails is show the reader quickly, one, how it affects them, how it relates to them, how it's important to them, and secondly, how you have taken their issues and their problems and you recognize them, you see them, and whatever it is you're emailing about is helping them and help them to see that quickly. So keep the focus less on us and put the focus more on them. I'm now going to go through the process of actually drafting the email, and what you're going to see me do is write my first waffly version. This is where I write down everything that I would like to say, and then we'll go through the process of cutting it down. Again, you'll see here I'm connecting it back to the client, to the reader. You, as accountants, want to have happy clients who have the services they need in order to be successful. That is your aim for your clients. And I need to show that I understand that, and I know that's a priority of accountants who will be the readers of this email. And you'll see the structure that I've taken is addressing the reader directly, showing that I understand the issues or problems or wonderings they have about marketing and how it connects with everything else they do in their business. I've made it so that they feel listened to. They understand that PF knows what they deserve and knows the kind of firm and clients they want to have and build. And then I introduce the solution. The solution being Accelerator, and how Accelerator helps them to get to this place that they would like to be in. So you can see that instead of going straight in and saying, join our next coaching group, I'm showing how Accelerator solves the problems accountants have and helps them to get the best marketing so they can hire amazing team members, work with the best clients, streamline their systems and processes, and all the things that marketing affects in your business. I've also added a clear call to action. My call to action is to join the next Accelerator group, which starts in February 2023. It's very easy to see and it's very actionable language. It says exactly what you're doing, you're joining, and it says exactly what you're joining. I've also added in my subject and preview text. My subject line is taken from the fact that this whole email is to send the message that good marketing isn't a choice. It's actually part of running a business, and it's something people are already doing, and there's ways to improve it. The preview text then gives away the ending. You get to this place of great marketing by understanding how it connects to every part of your business. Steps will be to send it. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the process of how to craft an email by writing down everything you would like to say, taking out the waffle, checking back on the purpose, making sure that the email is instantly relatable for them, shows how you're thinking about them and shows how you're speaking to them. You've used your subject and preview line to introduce what you're going to talk about and give away the ending. And you've added a clear, actionable call to action that tells the reader exactly what you want them to do.
You can use the tips in this tutorial video and the others in the full blog post to help you craft clear and actionable email marketing content, which helps you stay connected to those amazing clients and build relationships with new prospects. If you're feeling stuck on your writing skills or how email fits within your marketing plan, then fill out PS Diagnostic and tell us a little bit about where you are in your marketing journey and what you're feeling stuck with. We'd love to hear from you.